really late. 7:04, so I slept in really well today. The girls are now coming down. I've just put the coffee on. Hi little legs. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Come on then. Oh, I know it's cold. Should we turn some lights on? Yeah. Well, that's better. All the lights. Oh. Got your juicy? Yeah, Ari, where's your juicy? You got it? What do you guys want for breakfast?
Don't know, I'm not really hungry yet.
That's okay. Should we make some waffles and some sausage and maple syrup?
Yeah. Oh yeah, can we have this?
Yeah, I think they're plugged in over there.
Oh yeah.
Is the table ready for breakfast so you can put stuff? We have come to Elk Lake or Beaver Lake, I'm not sure which one it's called, but there's a playground and a fox has found bubbles everywhere. Mud, 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 no, mud. Mud and cars. Go towards the beach.
Go on the beach.
No, fox. Mud. Go towards the beach.
Come this way.
Beach.
This way.
Beach.
Where's your sisters?
Oh, so it is Elk Beaver Lake Regional Park. This is where we are. And the girls have found a playground, which looks amazing. So pretty. No, don't walk in the... this is a big slide. Oh my god! Well done! Come, Mika! Yeah. Go! Oh.
I land on my feet. It's like Sophia!
What are you doing, little mountain goat? Go round. Yeah, go round. You show me a tunnel. Here he comes. You like it? Oh, good job.
Make the shape.
You making a sandcastle?
Yeah. Okay.
Ben, the big green thing on the hill.
Shall we make a mountain?
You're a muddy boy. Is it cold?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I put my trousers.
You're a silly boy thing, do.
Other one.
I can't do that. There.
Ben's having to go and get the coats from the car because the kids are freezing. So pretty. Is it muddy, Mika? Mika, get out of the mud. It's not our car to get back into, is it? You Wally. Eagle Beach is that way. I think that might be Eagle Beach. There's a 10k lap. How pretty that is. Alright, we're at the park. Fox is tired and wants to go in the mud, which he's not allowed to do because he's not got his wellies on.
Come on.
And there's a really big green building on the hill, and I just asked someone local and they said it was an observatory called like the Edge of the World or something, and apparently it's a really cool tourist attraction, so we're going to have a look and see if we can go there. Can you see Ari?
Yeah. Trees.
Oh, look, there's a trail in there. You have some juice? You know how to open it. Do you think this is where the teddy bears have their picnic?
Yeah. That rock did have bears on.
Did it?
Yeah. Oh, that's really cute.
Ari, stand in front of that tree. Look how small you are compared to that tree. You can't even see the top.
I can.
That's crazy. Mika, there's a bear.
No, there isn't. I can see a bear.
Look at these really weird plants. We don't know what they are. Mika thinks they look like asparagus. They're really cool. And then Ari thinks those big ones look like lettuce. Should we push you in the bog?
No.
Woo! Mika one shoe. Look at these houses that just back down to the lake. Insane. Insane. We stopped for a snack in the prettiest snack spot ever.
Lovely little snack spot.
Foxy, is it a nice little snack spot? You tell me. Lovely little snack spot.
Broken.
What's broken?
That's broken.
The ladder's broken.
Yeah.
Oh no.
I'm going to eat your lunchy.
I got it.
You eat a little bit more. It's quesadilla.
Do you like that? Can you say your quesadilla?
You say quesadilla?
He's the digger.
Quesadilla. Perfect.
You eat your quesadilla.
You eat your quesadilla.
Doing some sauce to dunk in it.
There's a volcano.
Yeah.
Dragon.
Come on. Keep walking.
Oh, it's like the goblet of fire. So you need to get an egg. Yeah.
Gonna do a bunny hunt? Right, watch the road there, there's a car coming.
It's gonna go past the goblet of fire.
Come on, go, go, go. Right, you gotta look for Carol and Michael. Right, girls. Right, what have you got to find?
Calm down, calm
Bunnies.
Bunnies, and we just found one.
No, but
Oh, look.
the girls need one.
Here you go. Say thank you.
So
You got to mark it on. So we're
it's on the
here.
map.
So we started here. The coffee shop is there,
It's right next to Laurel Walk.
and I think we're.
There's a snail.
Where's the snail?
there.
Okay, yeah, perfect. You got it. So do a little cross there, so you know where to go.
You can lean it on.
Yeah, lean on the gate if you want to, princess. Put a little tiny cross near the snail. Good job.
And you
One bunny paper. And snail.
What would you like to be? Honorary Grandad?
Bunny down there, it will be impossible.
You can see. Can you smell all those flowers?
That's it.
They're bears, Ari. They're cool moss bears.
It's very floral,
Yeah.
right? Fragrant,
Good
I
job,
should say.
Foxy.
Walking.
Lovely.
Good job, Lovey. We're almost at the bottom. And look at all these.
Look, Ari. Whoa. Everything is so pretty. Let's go look.
So bunny.
Warm down here.
It's amazing.
There we go. There we go.
What are you eating?
There's so much fun.
You see the mooses? There's a little waterfall over there.
Any more bunnies?
Go on, Squeaks, leg over.
In case they're just. Oh, that's a good idea.
Cool. Let me take a picture. You like him? Yeah, you can have a go as well, Grumpy Pants.
Wow, do you want
Right,
to sit on?
Ari, your turn.
Okay, well,
Can you get down, Mika?
Can you get
family
yourself?
to
Can
go,
you
and
try?
then you can have a turn, okay?
Ari, leg in first, Ari. Leg in. Hold on to this thing.
Can you wait just here so
you
you
pat
can
him on the bum?
And then jump over. Leg over.
Pat, pat.
sit up there?
She can. Pat, pat, pat.
Ari.
Oh, that's good.
Cute.
Okay.
Foxy, you going on? Yeah? Right, you gotta help her down. Jump, Ari.
Jump.
Okay, you hold
Jump,
that.
Ari.
You ready? Have the ready? Okay, Evelyn, your turn
Jump.
after Fox, okay?
Help.
He wants to do everything himself.
Yeah. That's good. It's independent, yeah. Oh, it's good.
It's
Spread
because he
your
wanted to do
legs.
it himself.
Yeah, right.
Put your foot in there.
Oh, he's a nightmare.
He even wants to put his own car seat on.
Yeah.
Oh boy, yeah.
Stuff like that. Right.
Fox, this isn't going to work, is it? There's lots of people waiting.
There you go.
Come
Yeah.
on, Foxy, smile.
Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Cheesy smiling at this.
Fox, take your didder out.
All right.
Oh, you little grumpy pants.
Okay, do you want to have a turn? Mommy will hold you up there though, okay?
Jump.
Do it.
You doing Fox Cam?
I want to do it.
Press red button.
That bit.
Yeah, press that. There you go.
I'll hold it.
You hold it here with Mummy. No, Mummy helps hold it.
My help hold
No,
it.
my help hold it.
My help.
That a cool job, thank you.
Look at these, me.
What's it say?
Yes. 5 more bunnies.
It says raven, beaver with grouse, otter and pups and clam, frog.
Otter.
Cool.
The otter with the clown, is it?
There might be a bunny in the water.
That's it.
And the bunnies, Ari. And they're so big.
Redwoods.
That's incredible. So pretty.
Reach that one, it's too far away. That's fishy.
This is the Japanese garden. The first of Jenny Buchart's formal gardens, the Japanese garden was started in 1906. A Japanese landscape artist assisted her with the design.
Weather here.
Cool.
Plastic.
How pretty is this? Wow, a dragon.
Let me see. Look, it's at the top. Dragon. Drooling.
I think this is my favourite garden so far. I think I like it because it's shady. Good job.
We need one more bunny.
You got the water.
Pebbles. Fox will definitely fall in there. Yeah, Fox is definitely going to fall in there.
No, don't balance on there, please. No,
If we go across the pebbles with Fox, he'll
Jump down. Jump down.
probably fall in.
Yeah, probably. Right, Ari, where are we going?
On the stepping stone.
On the stepping stones. Come on then. Down here. You call Daddy. Tell Daddy.
Daddy! Daddy! Over here!
Come on then.
We can have a fight and see who falls in.
Oh, hey puppy. Hey, so we're back home. It's 7:15. Fox is now going to bed. The girls have just had showers. We spent the day at Buchart Gardens with Ben's family. We met Carol, who is Ben's mum's cousin, and then her children, Jeremy and Sam, Sam's partner and their little girl, and then Jeremy's partner, Catherine. And we spent the day with them and it was really lovely. And then Sam invited us back to her house. So we all went there and she'd arranged an Easter egg hunt for the kids in her house, which was really fun. And then we came home and I made bolognese this morning and we had that for dinner and it was delicious. The girls are now having Fudgesicles for the first time. I'm trying to not film because I've got no trousers on. Here we go. Let's have a look at your Fudgesicle. Is it good?
At the bottom it's really sticky, look.
Yeah, is it good?
Yeah.
Is yours good? Yeah? We're going to see if we can find a film to watch. We've been playing a game. What have we been playing? Remember what it's called?
No. Yahtzee. Oh yeah. It's hard.
With dice. So we've been playing that. I used to play it with my mum when I was younger and I loved it. And then we found it here. So we're playing it.
Have you ever Yahtzee?
Yeah, when I was younger, I've been up for a long time. Yeah, so Ben's sorting Fox out for bed. We've all had dinner. Fudgesicles. I'm going to have my squash and then some crunchy Cheetos. We're going to watch a film and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.